In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for an account in 1password. This process is crucial for enhancing the security of your online accounts. With increasing threats of cyber attacks, safeguarding your personal information has become more essential than ever. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the 1password website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the 1password site URL. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the home page where you can access various security tools and features necessary for managing your passwords. Next, click on Login, located typically at the top right of the page. It'll prompt you to enter your login credentials, such as your email address and password. Make sure you type them all correctly. It's crucial to ensure that your login information is secure, so avoid using easily guessable passwords. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate to the 1password home. This is your dashboard, where you can manage your security settings and make any necessary adjustments to your accounts. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will help you efficiently manage your accounts in the future. Then, look for the 1password account that you wish to secure further. In this case, we'll be working on the Our Family account. Click on it to access the specific settings of this account. Here, you'll find options to manage account details and security settings. Now, it's time to click on Edit. This opens up a new section where you can add additional security features. Editing your account settings is like strengthening the locks on your front door. It's an extra layer of defense against unwanted visitors. Within this section, find the Add More option. Clicking on this prepares your account for any additional security measures you want to implement. Adding more security features is always a wise choice in today's digital age. Next, click on One-Time Password. This is where the magic happens. A one-time password, or OTP, is a unique code that will be sent to you each time you try to access your account. It's an extra step, but an essential one for ensuring no unauthorized access. Now that you've turned on the one-time password feature, pat yourself on the back for taking this significant step in protecting your accounts. Two-factor authentication adds a potent layer of security that makes it exceedingly difficult for malicious actors to breach your account. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up two-factor authentication for your 1password account. Make sure to repeat this process for any other accounts you'd like to secure. Remember, in a world where digital breaches are increasingly common, every layer of security you add makes a difference. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.